How to backup Snapchat photos. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share them with your friends. On the screen, go to the top left corner and tap on View Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Memories under the My Account section. Memories is a personal collection of the snaps and stories you save, backed up by Snapchat. Here, check if the Smart Backup option under the Storage section is enabled. If not, enable it. Memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Following these steps, you can easily back up Snapchat photos.